ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art natural language processing tool developed by OpenAI. It is a type of deep learning model known as a generative pre-trained transformer that has been trained on a massive corpus of text data to generate natural language text. The training process for ChatGPT involves exposing the model to large amounts of text data from a variety of sources, such as books, websites, and news articles. This allows the model to learn patterns and relationships within the data, which it can then use to generate new text that is similar in style and structure to the original data. One of the key strengths of ChatGPT is its ability to understand and generate natural language text. This means that it can be used for a wide range of applications, such as answering questions, generating text, and engaging in conversation. ChatGPT has already been used for a variety of tasks, including chatbots, language translation, and text summarization. Despite its many strengths, ChatGPT is not perfect. Like all AI models, it can sometimes make mistakes or generate text that is irrelevant or nonsensical. Additionally, because ChatGPT has been trained on large amounts of text data, it can sometimes reflect the biases and stereotypes that exist in the original data. Overall, however, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with natural language text. As AI technology continues to improve, it is likely that ChatGPT and similar models will become even more sophisticated and capable of handling increasingly complex tasks.